Excitedly hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, we are diving into the world of protein powders with a special focus on the FlavCity protein powder. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up if you find it helpful. Let's get started. So, first things first, let's talk about the packaging. FlavCity does a great job with a sleek, minimalistic design. It's a 2-pound container, which should last you a good while depending on how often you use it. Now, let's check out the nutritional info. Each serving has 25 grams of protein, which is fantastic for muscle recovery and growth. It's also low in carbs and sugar, making it perfect for those on a low-carb or keto diet. Plus, it's gluten-free and non-GMO. What I really love about FlavCity protein powder is its clean ingredient list. It's made with whey protein isolate, which is easily digestible and great for those with lactose sensitivity. It also includes natural flavors and stevia for sweetness, so you avoid any artificial additives. Alright, let's get to the fun part, making a delicious smoothie. For today's smoothie, we'll need 1 scoop of FlavCity protein powder, a cup of almond milk, half a banana, a handful of spinach, and some ice. Let's blend it all together. As you can see, the protein powder blends really well. No clumps, just a smooth, creamy texture. Now, the moment of truth, takes a sip. Wow, that's really good. The FlavCity protein powder has a rich, creamy flavor that pairs perfectly with the banana and almond milk. The sweetness is just right, not overpowering at all. Overall, I'm really impressed with FlavCity protein powder. It's nutritious, tastes great, and blends smoothly. If you're looking for a high-quality protein powder to incorporate into your daily routine, I highly recommend giving this one a try. Thanks for watching, everyone. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more reviews and healthy recipes. Also, let me know in the comments if you've tried FlavCity protein powder and what you think of it. Until next time, stay healthy and stay happy.